Hello friends, welcome to APM Stats Connect. Today we have a question from survival analysis. The question is to compute the log rank test statistic and test whether the survival functions of the two populations are the same for the following data based on hypothetical clinical trial in which the treatment A patients form the first population and the treatment B patients form the second population. So the data is given below. Now we will enter the data. For treatment A, the survival times are 3, 5, 7, 9 plus and 18. So enter S time 1 equal to C of 3, 5, 7, 9, 18. We can see that the observation 9 is a censored observation. So we will assign the value 1 for exact observation and 0 for censored observation, and we entered them as status 1. Status 1 equal to C of 11101. That is, this status indicates whether the observations are censored or exact observation. Similarly, we enter the data for treatment B. Now, the given is the survival data. So, we give data 1 equal to SURV, capital S URV of S time comma status 1, and calling data 1, we can see the observations 3, 5, 7 and 18 are exact observation and 9 is a censored observation, which is the remission times of patients assigned to treatment 1. Similarly, data 2 equal to capital SURV of S time 2 comma status 2, and calling data 2, we get the survival times of patients assigned to treatment B. Rx equal to C of repetition of 1 for 5 times and repetition of 2 for 5 times. That is, here we categorize treatment A as group 1 and treatment B as group 2. So we have 5 observations from treatment A and 5 observations for treatment B. Now, to compute the log rank test statistic, we have to run the command SURV. Now, look at the summary. Here, for Rx equal to 1, it represents the group 1, that is treatment A, in which we have 5 observations, 4 of them are exact, and the expected frequencies and the test statistic value, chi-square test statistic value. We obtain it as 5.2 for treatment A, and similarly for treatment B, Rx equal to 2, we have 5 observation and 3 of them are exact. Computing the chi-square test statistic value, we get again 5.2. So the chi-square test statistic value is 5.2 on 1 degrees of freedom, and the p-value is obtained as 0.0226, that is approximately 0.023. Since the p-value is less than 0.05, we reject null hypothesis that there is a significant difference between these treatment A and treatment B, and hence we can say there is no significant difference between treatment A and treatment B. Now we will plot the graph of survival function for both the population. For that, we give fit1 equal to serve fit of data 1 tilde 1 and fit2 equal to serve fit of data 2 tilde 1, and to get the two plots in a single window, we give PAR of MF row equal to C of 2, 1. So the dimension of the plot will be 2 rows and a single column. Now we plot the graph of survival function for treatment A. We get plot of fit1, it is equal to so there is it. Similarly, plot of fit2 gives the survival plot of treatment B. Graph of survival function of treatment B lies completely above the graph of survival function for treatment A. By comparing these two plots, we can see none of the treatment overlap each other, and so we can also we conclude that the proportionality assumption holds good.